Here's pretty popular app. It's called FC24 Card Creator. So just tap Get to install it, double click to install, and yeah, you can just start using it. Finally, the new FC24 update is here. Start making up-to-date Ultimate Team card designs now. Create your own customizable FC24, FUT23, and FUT22 card designs. Easily add your picture and start creating your unique design. It's very easy to change all stats. Just tap. More than 200 plus nationalities and teams. Save to gallery and share. Have fun. All the FUT heroes, FUT World Cup heroes, Team of the Year, Icons heroes, and other special cards in the game are available. This application is not endorsed by or affiliated with Electronic Arts. So yeah, you can just open it up, can allow notifications, and then there is, if you want to upgrade to Card Creator Premium, it will be ad free. It's just one-time charge of $3. So you can get that. And then yeah, you can just create your own like card. You can set up background. You can set up the oh my god, there are a lot of annoying ads here, but that's just what it is. And then you can just go and select full or mini card, dynamic image, goalkeeper, or yeah, and then just select the design of it. So quite cool. And then just all of these things, and then just have that. So yeah, pretty cool app. So give it a try.